In this video guys, I'm gonna show you step by step how you can remove the background noise from your video in Davinci Resolve just in few seconds. So this will be quick tutorial step by step. Let's get started. So what you will do, you will first import your video to Davinci Resolve like this. I already have this example video, and what you will do next, you should see over here effect. Okay, click on effect, click on audio, scroll down, click on noise reduction. Okay, double click and select this auto speech mode. Okay, like this. Then just go back like this, and your background noise will be removed from your video. Okay, that's how you can remove background noise in DaVinci Resolve from your video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.